Hey YouTube, what's up? It's the 11th Planet, bringing you another video today. We're going to be talking about icon customization and how to make personal icons for different applications. I'm going to show you how to do this manually. There's two different ways, a copy and paste and then editing the resources folder in macOS 10. This is going to apply to 10.4, 10.5, and 10.6, directed mainly at 10.5 and 10.6, leopard and snow leopard. But we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to head into Safari, and we're going to go right into Google Images, and I already have it listed. So we're going to save image to downloads, just search what you want, save image to downloads, and quit out of Safari because we no longer need it, don't need it open. Wherever your downloads is, drag it to the desktop, that'd be perfect. Double click. You can do what we're going to do in any image editing software such as Photoshop, etc., GIMP, but it works perfect in preview. So go up to select and instant alpha, click and drag on the background. If you go too far, the entire image goes pink. You don't want that, so drag to what you want to basically be transparent. As you can see, the dashed lines. In 10.5 you can hit return. In 10.6 Snow Leopard you have to hit delete, so I'm going to hit delete. Now we're going to save our work, so save it as Red Sox logo and make it a PNG just for compatibility's sake later on. Click save. As you can see right here, this is the original, that's the new one, transparent. Okay, good. So now we're going to go back up to select, rectangular selection. In Leopard you can just click on the image and hit Command C. Can't do that in Snow Leopard, have to basically highlight it. Command C now. You can now click out of preview, go into Finder, go into your application section, and you're going to go to the application you want. For me it's Safari. I'm going to have to hit Get Info. As you can see down at the bottom, everyone is read only and there's a lock. We need to click the lock, put in our admin, change this everyone from read only to read write. Now we don't have to click the lock, we can go back up to this icon right here. As you can see, make it so there's a blue tint around it, Command V. As you can see, it changed the icon, also changed it in Finder. Drag it out of the dock, drag it back into the dock. Perfect. Your new icon, copy and paste, works for a lot of applications, if not all of them. So you drag it back out. If you want to revert, Apple I, Get Info, or Command I, click it with the blue tint, Command X, it cuts it out of there, changes it in the Finder, drag and drop right in. Perfect. That's the copy and paste method. Easy, quick, painless. X out of the Finder. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open up a program called Image to Icons, ICNS. So take your transparent one, drag and drop. You can make a folder out of it, an iPhone icon, a favicon, or an ICNS. Make it an ICNS. Choose the desktop, and it plants it right on your desktop. As you can see right there, Red Sox logo.icns. Perfect. Go back into the Finder and go back into Applications. Find the application you want, Safari, right click, Show Package Contents. Double click on Contents, go to Resources, right click, Get Info. Now you're going to have to set the permissions from everyone read only right there to read write. So click the lock, put in your admin, click on read write. As you can see, it changed. You can just click the X at the top, double click on resources to open it. Now you're going to have to find the icon that Apple uses. They use a compass, but I changed my compass a little bit. It's custom. As you can see right here, compass.icns. That has to be, it's case sensitive and it needs to appear just like that. So to change this icon, whatever it is, it will be the default icon. Get Info, you're going to have to change the permissions from this. As you can see right here, you cannot change it. You're going to have to change, put in your admin, change everyone to read write from read only. Now you can change it. I'm going to change it to SL for Snow Leopard. Just hit return. As you can see right here in the Finder, it changed it from compass.icns to compass SL. Now you're going to have to go over here and change it exactly how it was, compass.icns, hit enter. You can drag and drop it now into, actually it didn't change, but we're going to change it right now. I don't know why it didn't change. Perfect. Drag and drop, arrange by name. Perfect, it's in there. X out. It hasn't changed in this Finder pane yet, but if you close out a Finder, you open it back up, Go into applications. There it is. It's changed. Perfect. That's how you do it the second way. You edit the resources folder. You have to change the permissions a few times, but it's just as quick, and you can house a few different icons in there and interchange them using the permissions. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to a site that will show you a really cool time machine icon, and it's the first one, DeLorean time machine icon in Google. First one. I'll put the link in the description. As you can see, it's right there. And we're going to go to second paragraph, Google code. Click on it. It's going to download it for you, and it's going to place in your downloads. This is what it looks like. Just click out of preview. You can quit out of Safari. Okay, so we're going to hurry this video up. So what I'm going to do now is drag it to the desktop. Now you're going to change this just like you changed the Safari icon the second time. Go into Applications, Time Machine, right click, Show Package Contents, change the resources, so get info, hit the lock, put in your admin, change read only to read write for the everyone, double click now. Right here it's backup.icns. As you can see, they've already appropriately named it backup.icns. You're going to have to right click this icon, get info, scroll down, change the permissions. Everyone read write. It is read write. It might have been read only. I think I might have changed it. Change it to read write. Hit the X. Actually, don't hit the X because you're gonna want to change it. I'm gonna change it back up original so that if I ever want to revert, I don't lose it. Don't have to download another stock icon. Drag and drop it in there. Range by name. As you can see, it places it right there. Doesn't change it in this Finder window. Drag it out of your dock. Open back up Finder, and it's right there changed. Drag it in. Perfect. You don't have to change the Finder window X out of it originally. You can just drag and drop it. It should have changed, but this is just to show you that it actually did change. That's the way to do it. We messed with the permissions a little bit, and in Mac OS X that's not a good idea to just leave them. So we're going to open up Disk Utility, and what we're going to do is we're going to repair the disk permissions. So after you go to whatever your hard drive's named, as you can see down here, repair disk permissions, verify. You don't need to verify. Sorry about that. You don't need to verify because you already know that you've made changes. You're going to repair because you want them to revert to the default values such as read only. So you just click repair. 5-10 minutes. It should change them depending on how many permissions have changed, and you're good to go. If you need to change the resources folder again, you're going to have to put in your admin user name and password. Change it like that. So that's how you change icons. Candybar is a shareware, $10. It does it for you. I'm going to put the link to the description in there. It has a 30-day trial. LiteIcon, you should also check it out. It's freeware. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put the link in the description for image to icons, which you're going to need. But this is the 11th planet. Follow me on Twitter, THE11THPLANET. Comment, rate, subscribe, leave suggestions for future videos. Sorry it was so quick, but as you can see, I changed the Safari icon as well as the time machine. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and please use this. Hopefully it benefits you guys. So see you next video. Thanks.